What's up, guys? I'm Kay Scholl. Welcome to another financial awareness video. As a new and super small YouTuber, I'm taught and coached to make clickable thumbnail pictures and videos that are highly searchable in order to get more views. And although doing those things will help this channel grow, this isn't one of those videos. This video is for you. This is for the 500 or 600 of you that have decided to follow me on this journey and jump on board thus far. I really do appreciate you. This isn't a financially sexy topic, but whether you make $80,000 a year or $800,000 a year, you need to do this right now. It's October already. If you are a business owner or have any 1099 income, check out my video regarding Section 179 of the IRS tax code. Maybe your business needs a vehicle between now and the end of the year. Ask yourself, is there anything your business might need or you think you might need next year that you can buy now to get as a write-off this year? Just give your CPA a call and chat for 5 or 10 minutes and discuss any changes that might have happened to you this year, because 2020 was a pretty unique year. Maybe you had a COVID-related distribution from a retirement account. Maybe you're not sure about your net take-home pay or EBITDA or how much gross income might impact your actual taxable income, and maybe you might want to make a contribution into your retirement account. Just give them a call now, because that will give you 8 to 10 weeks of time to map out a game plan if any changes need to occur. What about your goals? You have 2.5 months left to hit your end of the year goals. Look at what you want to accomplish between now and December 31st and do what you can to close the year out strong. If you've already hit your goals, see what you can do to hit your stretch goal. It's a little early to start planning for 2021, but if you're watching this video after Thanksgiving, then that's probably a good time frame to start thinking ahead to 2021 so that you can get the year started off on the right foot. As the year winds down, take a look at the goals that you set out to accomplish earlier this year and see if you could still accomplish them. Maybe now's the right time for you to start exercising, or maybe learning to cook a few new dishes so that you could add them to your normal routine. Also, look over your budget. How many more paychecks do you have between now and the end of the year? Do you have any 3 paycheck months coming up? How much money do you plan on spending on your holiday gifts? How much money do you plan on spending on your holiday travel? Financial planning often means doing the boring stuff first. The blocking and tackling, the budgeting, planning, thinking through your next steps. If there's one thing I can encourage you to do between now and the end of the year, it's to emotionally spend your money in your budget first before it hits your checking account. If you get paid on Friday, then check your pay stub on Wednesday and take some time to look over where you need those dollars to go between now and the end of the year. If you got any value from this video, do me a favor and let me know in the comments below, or gently smash that like button. I appreciate your time. See you in the next one. I'm a left-handed thumb smasher. I'm a left-handed thumb smasher. Smash with your thumbs.